This company was founded back in 1977 by my father. He's been working for over 45 years. My mother and my father both started the company pretty much out of our basements.
I started out with the old transits, which you used to read the vernier scale along the circular plate of the instrument. And of course, distance was always done by a tape measure. So when you realize how I started out in 1977, it was archaic, but that's the way surveys were done from the beginning of the profession. Now with the use of GPS satellite, that was like sliced bread all over again.
Surveyors today are extremely busy, so we need a system where we could set up and go in the snap of fingers. So that's exactly what we're doing.
Just to set up, locate points, I'm able to see more signal, more reception, more fixed solutions than I was ever able to see.
We were confident in using the VRS system because we had great cell service there. So when we use VRS and we have good cell service, we're gonna be in the system like in a snap. So we could go from setup to working in the matter of a couple minutes.
It just makes it that much easier, much more efficient. And if I can't do that, I could always just set up the EDM, localize that, and locate it with the robot.
So right now we're in an area with poor cell service, which VRS requires you to work off of. We weren't confident in the tolerance that VRS was going to give us here. So when we set up our base station, we could hook up to that with our rover, and we know exactly where our reference is pulling from when we're here. And we had a beautiful day for it. We have clear skies and an open canopy. So we got it set up and got to work.
You always have to look at the best application to access certain points. That's why it really does help bringing the robotic EDM instrument along with us. If we can't get certain canopy shots, we then locate, set up, localize the robotic EDM to take shots like that. But I'm very, very happy and surprised at the same time to share that a lot of the points in the canopy were able to be located, and I got a fixed solution on a lot of the points. Just goes to show you what a game changer for constellations are and the Hyper-VR, what it can do. The favorite feature I have with Hybrid is the cloud data, the enterprise account you have, where it's just an export text ASCII file and send to a cloud, and then have that text file ready to go right on your computer. Speed is faster than anything. It makes our time management that much quicker, that more effective, that more efficient.
For time and spent doing that task, I think Topcon with the hybrid technology is more versatile than I believe anything out there.